If you want to post on Bluesky social, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, open up the Bluesky. Click the post or pencil icon at the bottom right. Okay, and you're gonna type right here something like hi, and you can control who can see it, right? Who can interact? Everybody, nobody, and if you want a quote settings, right? A quote post enabled, or if you don't want someone to quote your post, you can just turn it off. And if you want to add images or GIFs to support your post, right? If you want to add media like video, or you can click the plus button right here to add another post if you want to do a thread, right? And you're gonna be able right here to see the media, of course, which is the photo and video. And basically you're gonna hit post at the top right. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.